Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today we're talking about this baby right here. She's called Acacia and she's by Outre. She's an oldie but goodie, but one of my favorite wigs of all time. And today I'm telling you all about her. So stay tuned. Your homework. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I'm glad you came back to join me. I miss you. And if you're new, hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Just hit the button, share, tell a friend, leave a comment, ask me a question, and don't forget to hit your notification bell. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss a video, especially when it's first uploaded. You never know if it's makeup, if it's wigs, if it's relationship talk. I have a crazy teenager, so we could be talking about anything. You want to make sure that you're in the scoop. So hit the notification button and make sure you subscribe. So, the wig we're going to be talking about today is by Outre, and this is an oldie but goodie. This wig is called Acacia. This wig, per the research that I was able to squander up, seems to be about 4 to 5 years old. As of this September, I've been wearing Acacia off and on for about 2 years, and it is one of my favorites. I wear it year round. I don't only wear it in the summertime, and it has longevity on it too, which is why I love it, because a lot of synthetic units, like, we know it's not going to last forever, but you do want to feel like you're getting your bang for your buck. So the funniest thing about this unit is it's $12. Yeah, $12. I purchased this wig from wigtypes.com almost a month ago. $12. I looked on it today before I did this video. It's $12 again. So right now it's holding steady at $12. I'm going to show you why this is the best $12 for your buck. So let's go. This is how it comes. Kind of traditional old school packaging. Nothing fancy. I've already taken her out, so a lot of the stuff is missing. I got her in the color 1B because I wanted something something simple. I haven't really been feeling color. But this wig does come in 1B, 2-4, 1B30, which I've had before. Burgundy, I've had that before. Red, I really want to try red, but it's like a Kool-Aid red, so I'm a little nervous. And then it says it has the 42730. So all my girls who love that blend, they definitely have it. It says it's heat resistant up to 400 degrees, but I'll be honest. I've had this wig, not this particular one, but worn this wig off and on, like I said, for 2 years, and I've even washed it, let it air dry, and I've never had to put heat to this wig. Like, I've never felt the need to just run my flat irons through it. This thing bounces right back. And I like to call this my pocketbook wig. Honestly, if I was going somewhere and wanted to change wigs, this is a wig that I could throw in my purse and you cannot mess it up. Like, you can't. Now, I know the stock card picture is a little, but listen, this wig got potential. So all my 80s and 90s babies, the bowl cut and the wig, this is it. But this has some movement and some layers, so we're going to get into it. So here's your stock card again. It tells you all of the colors that she comes in, all of the basic wig care instructions on the back. It tells you how to detangle it, how to wash it. It talks about, not stretching it too much. And then it tells you to put it on a mannequin or styrofoam head to let dry. And that's exactly what I did. So maybe that's what helped it hold its shape. But yeah, basic stock card, nothing special. So when you first get this wig, and of course mine isn't attached, the wig is attached from the top of the wig to the top of this packaging. So once you pop it off, your wig is going to have a bit of a baby cone head. So one thing that I like to do, once I pop the wig from the top, it's going to sit up a little bit. I put my canvas head. This is a 22-inch head, as you can see. My head's 22 inches. This way, the wig can relax some. It can get the little form that it has from being folded up in the packaging. It can kind of chill out on the canvas head. I usually take it out the night before I know I'm going to wear it. So, nothing major to do. So, the specs of the wig. So, in the very top of this wig now, the thing is, if you're a lighter skin tone, not that it should bother you because nobody should be looking down at the top of your head anyway, and if they are, just rude, tell them to mind their business. But the top of the wig has like a fake scalp color, which is kind of dark. It's even too dark for me. Nobody's scalp really is this dark. Let me say. Well, I mean, to each his own, but if you wanted to put something on it, you could. But to me, I don't feel like it's a must because the way this cut is, if anybody is standing over you, staring at the top of your wig, you and that person really need to have a conversation about personal space, privacy, and telling them to mind their business. So, as you can see, basic bowl cut. Nothing fancy. This is the back. Nothing fancy. It looks straight down, but you're going to work your magic with your fingers on this. Wait, that didn't sound right. Simple cut in the front, but as you can see, this wig moves. So it's not going to be stiff. Even when it's old, it's not stiff. It has a vented cap, and I got a little foundation on mine, so don't judge me. It has a comb in the front, and then it has a comb in the back, and it also has adjustable straps. So if you have a big head, this wig is going to be your friend. I got a kind of a big head, so I did good. So it's pretty stretchy, so you shouldn't have an issue if you have a larger head. Because you know, some wigs make you feel like you got a water head or something. I don't understand it. But no. Okay, guys, so I decided to speed this part up because I was getting long-winded, and if you know me, you know I could talk forever about hair and makeup. So, grab your wig grip or wig cap, whatever your preference is. Color doesn't matter because it's not going to be visible. And protect your edges. You definitely want to make sure you have something because the circumference of this wig is a little on the hard side, and it has two side ear tabs that can become annoying halfway through your day. So you want to make sure you have a barrier in between the two. So as you can see, I combed the wig down just like on the stock card. Sometimes that's cute depending on the mood, atmosphere, or what I'm wearing. But yeah, this is definitely a wig that you throw on and you play with until you get it just right. Whatever fits you, whatever look you're going for, whatever your face shape. There really is no rules to this because, again, it's something that you can't mess up. So dig in, play with it, get it just right, and find the look that, you know what I mean, that you want or that you're looking for. I honestly think it'll be cute on anybody. I haven't seen anyone put this wig on and it look weird yet. So, yeah. This is just me playing in it, nothing major, nothing simple. As you can see, you don't need much of anything to get the styling on this wig done. It's kind of like do it in the dark, do it in a car, on your way to wherever you're going. So that's it. That's it for Frugal Fridays, guys. I want to thank you all for joining me. Thank you for hanging out with me, hearing about my buddy Acacia here. She's cute. Head over to wigtypes.com, get you one, get you two. Look around, they have so many affordable units. I stopped buying hair or units or wigs from my beauty supply store like 2 years ago when I found wigtypes.com because it's a fraction of the price that you get in the store. So I'm not buying wigs out the store no more. That's just dead. I'm not doing it. So thank you for coming in. I said that like 100 times. I'm sorry. Thank you for joining me for my very first Frugal Friday. Found out about a bomb-ass $12 wig. Tell a friend to tell a friend, or don't tell nobody and let them find out on their own. I'm not going to be mad at you. Don't forget to like, to share, comment, ask me a question. I'll answer it. And please subscribe. It's right down there. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Takes 2 seconds, and hit that notification bell. You're going to want to be around, and you're going to want to know when the videos drop, especially when the giveaways start. Thanks again for joining me here. I'm your girl, DeStarr. Frugal Fridays, y'all. I'll see you soon.